Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 9. A preference shareholder differs from a debenture holder because the former is A creditor to the company, B entitled to a fixed rate of dividend, C entitled to a fixed rate of interest, D not involved in the risk of business, E paid dividend after the ordinary shareholder. So the concepts we are looking at here is 1. Preference shareholder, 2. Debenture holder. So we'll start from the preference shareholder. And the preference shareholder is entitled to what is known as preference shares. Now, preference shares are shares of a company, so they are shares of a company's stock with dividends, shares of a company's stock with dividends that are paid out to the shareholder, the preference shareholder. So preference shareholder before the common stock dividends are paid. And then debenture holders are subscribers to what is known as debentures, and debentures are a part of a loan. So you can see that debentures or debenture holders basically take some sort of loan from the company, while preference shareholders receive dividends from the company. Now, the preference shareholder, as we have seen here, is entitled to some dividends, some fixed rate of dividends before the common stock dividends are even released. So option B says entitled to a fixed rate of dividend. So option B is the answer to this question, because preference shareholders are entitled to a fixed rate of dividend. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.